Hi, yesterday I left you with a question. Do prime numbers go on forever? Or do they eventually run out? Did you think of any ideas? Did you find a way? It is not an easy problem because you cannot just keep checking numbers forever. So how could you possibly prove something about an infinite collection? Over 2,000 years ago, a mathematician, Euclid, faced the same question. Rather than trying to chase primes out to infinity, he turned the problem around. He said, let's suppose the opposite. Let's imagine that prime numbers do run out, that there is a complete list of all the primes. Maybe it's short, maybe it's long, but suppose we've found them all. Now here's the key idea. Take every prime on that list and multiply them together. It starts with 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 times 11, and then it goes to the final number that's in that set. This answer will equal one gigantic, enormous number. So every prime number will be a factor of this ginormous number. Then take that ginormous number and add 1. Just 1. Now pause and think about this new number, one bigger than the one we calculated. We know the original number is a factor of every prime number. That means this new number is not divisible by any of the primes on the list. Because when you divide it by any of them, there is always a remainder of 1. So it does not fit into any of the rectangles that's built from the primes that we thought were complete. Which means either this number is itself prime or it is built from primes that are not on our list. Either way, our list was not complete. And that is the breakthrough. That is the surprise. No matter how many primes you think you have, you can always find another. So, primes do not run out. They can't. There are infinitely many of them. And what's remarkable is how this answer comes. Not from checking forever, but from a simple idea. Assume you are done, and then show you can't be. From rocks to rectangles to infinity. A question a child can ask, and an answer that stretches beyond the horizon. And if you follow that even just a little, you have stepped into something amazing. You are sharing a line of thought with one of the great mathematical minds in history. Not just knowing a fact, but understanding why it is true. To me, that is something to value, because it means you can do this. You can learn ideas that at first feel out of reach. And this is just the beginning of seeing that mathematics is not just about answers, but about understanding. And that understanding is available to you. And that is the beauty of math. It enlightens our mind beyond what we thought was true.